I'm Matt Greene, Park Operations Manager of Presque Isle State Park. We're on annual fall beach walk today. We're going to be evaluating how the beaches look here and what possible directions we may need to look in the spring again for possible nourishment for the beaches.
And what does the condition seem to be so far?
So far, I mean, it's going to be a little bit skewed this year because nourishment is still going on at this point. So we'll be able to look at some of the areas that have been nourished and what impacts have been happening since beginning of September when those beaches were nourished. Some of the beaches are still continuing being nourished right now. But overall, we've had lots of south wind through the fall and east wind through the summer. So that's actually a fairly good thing for us.